Okay, student, we'll study electrostatic potential. It is minimum work done against electrostatic force in carrying or bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a point A without acceleration. Let's understand this. Let's suppose this is infinity, right? And at infinity, we choose unit positive charge Q naught, right? Unit positive charge, okay? And this unit positive charge is bring from infinity to a point A, right? And A lies in an electric field by positive Q charge, some positive charge Q. Due to this charge Q, electric force is in this direction, right? We know that. So, by taking or bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to a point A without any acceleration against this force, we have to do some work, and that work is, let's suppose, W A, right? Acceleration is 0, means there is no external force. Due to this acceleration 0, there is no external force, right? So work done is due to only this electrostatic force, right? तो यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी से ए पॉइंट पे लेके आ रहे हैं अगेंस्ट दिस फोर्स, तो वी हैव टू अप्लाई सम वर्क एंड दैट वर्क इज डब्ल्यू ए, राइट? And this work done on positive charge, positive unit positive charge is known as electrostatic potential, right? So electrostatic potential is equal to what? Work done in bringing a charge positive one from infinity to a point A against this electrostatic force is electrostatic potential, right? कब? जब यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज हम मान के चल रहे हैं, तो क्यू नॉट इज यूनिट पॉजिटिव, और वी कैन से दैट V इज इक्वल टू वर्क डन पर यूनिट चार्ज, राइट? दिस इज पोटेंशियल एट पॉइंट A. Clear? Now our next term is electrostatic potential difference. Electrostatic potential difference, okay? Means potential difference means दो पॉइंट्स के बीच में पोटेंशियल हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. तो मिनिमम वर्क डन अगेंस्ट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स इन कैरिंग ब्रिंगिंग ए यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज फ्रॉम ए पॉइंट बी, लेट्स से, टू अनदर पॉइंट ए विदाउट एक्सेलरेशन, राइट? यहां हमने क्या किया था? इन्फिनिटी से यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को कहां तक लेके आए थे? एक पॉइंट तक. लेकिन अब हम क्या करेंगे? एक पॉइंट से दूसरे पॉइंट तक लेके आएंगे, राइट? लेट्स से दिस पॉइंट इज बी. इट्स समथिंग लाइक दैट. हम इन्फिनिटी से ए पॉइंट तक चार्ज लेके आए अगेंस्ट दिस फोर्स, तो हमारे पास पोटेंशियल क्या हुआ ए पॉइंट पे? वी ए, जो हमने अभी फाइंड आउट किया है, राइट? सिमिलरली हम एक दूसरे यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को इन्फिनिटी से बी पॉइंट पे लेके आए, तो हमारे पास वर्क डन क्या होगा बी पॉइंट पे? राइट? क्लियर? नाउ अब हमें क्या करना है? यूनिट पॉजिटिव चार्ज को बी पॉइंट से ए पॉइंट पे लेके आना है, एक फिक्स पॉइंट से अनदर फिक्स पॉइंट, ओके? फॉरगेट दिस, इसको भूल जाएं. Remove this. Against this force, we have to do some work done in taking a unit positive charge from B to A. B से पॉजिटिव चार्ज को उठाया, A पे लेके आए इस फोर्स के अगेंस्ट, तो लेट्स से हमें वर्क डन करना पड़ा WBA. And this work done on this unit charge is known as electrostatic potential difference, right? तो potential difference between point A and B. Let's say this is delta V. So delta V here we can define as what? Delta V, or we can write it, it's better to write it like this, VAB, potential difference, right? So we know that VAB potential difference between the point A and B is what? Final potential minus initial potential, means VA minus VB, which is equal to what? Work done on this unit positive charge, right? So work done BA. This is kab? When charge is what? Test charge is what? Unit positive charge. Or we can write it like this: potential difference VAB is equal to WBA upon charge. This is the potential, electrostatic potential difference, right? The SI unit of potential VAB, SI unit is what? 1 volt, right? And 1 volt V is equal to 1 volt is equal to work done upon charge. The work done is what? Joule, and charge is what? Coulomb, right? The joule. So 1 joule per 1 coulomb. This is 1 volt, right? One more thing, electrostatic potential difference V is what? It is a scalar quantity. It is a scalar quantity. Okay, means it has magnitude only, no direction, right? This is something about electrostatic potential. Now our next topic is potential due to a point charge, right? Electrostatic potential due to a point चार्ज. एक पॉइंट चार्ज की वजह से हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. लेट अस टेक अ पॉइंट चार्ज. लेट्स सपोज दिस इज पॉजिटिव Q. दिस इज अ पॉइंट चार्ज, एंड ड्यू टू दिस पॉइंट चार्ज एट पॉइंट P, some point P, we have to find out what? Electrostatic potential, right? The distance between this P and positive Q charge is, let's say this is R. This is R. Okay. So according to definition, potential difference is what? We have to find out potential at point P. Let's say at point P potential is V. At point potential is V. According to definition, potential at point P is what? Work done against a unit positive charge in bringing a unit positive charge from infinity to this point P. So this work done, let's say this work done is W. This work done is equal to what? Potential. This is the definition. When charge is what? Unit positive. This is the definition. So work done in taking a unit positive charge infinity to point P, that work done is what? Electrostatic potential, right? To find out this work done, we have to take a small path. Let's say this point A, at some time the unit positive charge is at point A, and after small time it is at B, right? And this distance is, let's say, dx. तो इस पॉजिटिव चार्ज को ए से बी तक हम लेके आए, तो हमें वर्क डन करना पड़ा कितना? dw. इस dx डिस्प्लेसमेंट के लिए वर्क डन हमने कितना किया? dw अगेंस्ट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स, एंड दैट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स एट पॉइंट ए ड्यू टू Q is what? Is this? This is electric field due to this charge at point A. तो A से इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की जो हमारे पास डिस्टेंस है, लेट्स से दिस इज x, राइट? तो फ्रॉम हियर इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज व्हाट? इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught x square, राइट? x square. A पॉइंट की Q से डिस्टेंस इज व्हाट? x. तो x square, and direction is what? Along r cap, right? Okay. Now as we know that electric field is what? Force per unit charge, but unit charge is what? Positive 1. So this is F is plus 1. So electric field is what? Force. Okay. From here we have to find out what? dW, and according to the definition of work done, dW is equal to F dot dx. From here I can write it like this: dW is equal to E dot dx. Okay, E dot dx, open dot product, E dx cos theta. Theta is the angle between E and dx. तो एंगल देखते हैं. E electric field is in this side, dx is in this side. So angle between this is 180 degree. So cos 180. And cos 180 is what? This is what? Minus 1. So dW is minus E dx. Right? E dx. We have to find out work done from infinity to point P. This is small work done. If we're taking integration on both sides, then total work done from infinity to P, right? And that total work done is what? Potential. So integration dW is equal to minus integration E dx. And this is total work done, which is equal to potential. This is integration minus, and dx is from dx, limits of for dx is what? Infinity to r. Infinity to r. So limits from infinity to r for dx. So infinity to, right? dx कहां से कहां तक है भाई? इन्फिनिटी से p पॉइंट तक हम लेके आ रहे हैं, मीन्स इन्फिनिटी से r डिस्टेंस तक हम उसको यूनिट चार्ज को हम लेके आ रहे हैं. एंड इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इज, from here we can write it like this: q upon 4 pi epsilon naught x square dx. Right? Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught is a constant term, comes out. So potential is equal to minus q upon 4 pi epsilon naught integration infinity to r 1 upon x square dx. Right? Integration of this term, let's say we can solve here. Integration infinity to r 1 by x square dx. इसको हम कैसे सोल्व कर सकते हैं? इसको हम लिख सकते हैं x की -2 dx infinity to r, x की पावर n. तो इंटीग्रेशन क्या होगा? x की पावर -2 plus 1 डिवाइडेड बाई -2 plus 1, लिमिट क्या होगी? इंफिनिटी टू r. दिस इज व्हाट? x की पावर -1 लिमिट इंफिनिटी टू r, एंड विच इज इक्वल टू -1 अपॉन x इंफिनिटी टू r. जब लिमिट पुट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा? -1 अपॉन r -1 अपॉन इंफिनिटी. 1 अपॉन इंफिनिटी इज 0. अपर लिमिट माइनस लोअर लिमिट हम करेंगे तो दिस माइनस एंड 1 मोर माइनस. 1 अपॉन इंफिनिटी 0, दिस इज 0, तो दिस इज व्हाट? -1 अपॉन r. तो इंफिनिटी टू r 1 अपॉन x स्क्वायर dx का जो हमारे पास इंटीग्रेशन आया, दैट इज -1 अपॉन r. तो हम राइट इट लाइक दिस: माइनस q अपॉन 4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट -1 upon r. Right? Minus minus plus. So finally we have electrostatic potential is q upon 4 pi epsilon naught r. This is electrostatic potential due to a point charge. From where we can see that potential is inversely proportional to r. Right? If this r is, let's say, infinity, ये point कहाँ है? Infinity पे. तो let's say if r is what? Infinity. R infinity, then potential is 0. So due to a point charge at infinity, value of potential is जीरो, सिंपल, राइट।